Hello friends, today we will analyze SPY chart on 14th August 2025. As you can see, this is 14th August. I'll change the color, hold. Yeah, so this is 14th August and this is a SPY chart on a 5-minute time frame. Now as you can see, we have as per our strategy, we will see three things: direction, candle near 20 moving average, and third one we'll see bullish candle. Okay, these are three criteria for our entry. So let us analyze. See, this is our, you can see 200-day moving average, simple moving average. Blue color is our 20 period moving average. On 14th, market opens in between 20 and 200 moving average. So basically we will not enter the trade unless the market comes out of our no trade zone. You see, this full section is our no trade zone. Okay, so once, if you see this candle, this is a strong bullish candle and it closes above 20 period moving average. So we will take first trade on the close of this 5-minute candle, and if you see, it has moved till here. Our stop loss is below the low of this candle. If you see, this market has moved more than 1:1 risk reward ratio. So what do we do once the market reaches 1:1 risk reward ratio? We move the stop loss cost to cost. So once we entered on this close of this candle, market went up and it started coming down. See, if you see this red candle, it is not very strong compared to this green candle. So we hold the position, but on this red candle, second red candle, it crosses the low of this bullish candle and it's a negative sign, and we basically want to exit at this close of this candle. But if you see, once we moved, because the market has moved 1:1 risk reward ratio, we moved our stop loss to cost, and this candle's close, this, if you see, low has already touched the our entry price and we have exited the trade because we moved our stop loss to cost. So our first trade is with a zero risk reward. Reward is zero. At cost to cost we exited. Now let's analyze the second trade. Now once the market is coming down, it doesn't stop. There's no bullish candle above 20 period moving average and we don't take any trade, and market enters again a no trade zone. And if you see, it is going spiral between the 20 moving average and 200-day moving average. Now we are waiting for market to come out of the no trade zone. Now we got this strong bullish candle which has closed above the 20 moving average, and we take a trade, second trade here on the long side. We buy here. So what happens after we enter? There is a continuously market is going up, 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 up. There are continuously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles in a row. So basically 7 into 5, 35 minutes market has been going up, because there is no red candle in between and there is no basically there is no pullback. We can exit on this first red candle itself, or on a conservative basis, or if you're an aggressive trader, we can give some more room to stay in the position by moving our stop to the low of this green candle. This will be our stop loss. And once we exit here on the close of this red candle, if you measure with our risk reward tool, we got around 1.08 risk reward. So second trade we got a profit. This is the profitable trade. This is the first trade was a zero RR trade. Second was a 1.08 RR trade. Now once the market comes, we exited on this candle, the market keeps coming down near the 20 moving average. Now we are looking for a good bullish candle, but there is no bullishness in this area, and market again goes back to the no trade zone. Okay, so we are on, again market comes out of the no trade zone with this bullish candle. Now once we enter here, where do we exit? See, the stop loss is below the low of this candle, and market has never touched the stop loss, neither it has closed below the 20 period moving average. So we can continue holding the trade till end of the day. See, there is a retracement on this candle, but if you take a profit on this trade at the end of this red candle or this red candle, you hardly get any reward. So if you see, reward is very low. So we will try to give more time to the market and wait to see if there is a spike on the upside. But unfortunately market tries to climb up, and the last candle it drops back and closes here. So with this we got around, if you measure with the risk reward tool, we got around 0.64 RR reward. So that's all the analysis for 14th August. Now this has been updated in our you can check. Let us update our it's already updated in the website. If you see means to money, this is our website. Okay, this is our website, means to money, and we should go to the second page, SPY analysis. First page basically it shows us the strategy and the rules to enter exit. Okay, and if you go to the second page, which is SPY analysis, we get, this is a chart we have updated, and if you go down, and this is a live chart for verification. Live chart, if you want to compare readily, for a ready reference, we have updated a live chart here. It gets updated on a daily basis. This is a 14th day transaction, and if you go down, this is a table which shows our performance track. Now if you see date, last column, last row in this is 14th August 2025, and as we discussed, first trade was a zero risk reward trade, second was 1.08, and third was now 0.64, which totaled to around 1.72 risk reward ratio on 14th August. So that's all for today. Now I urge, please let me know if you have any doubts or you want to just say hello. Follow us on our social media. You can subscribe to our social media. We have given a link here. We are available on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn and Twitter. You can follow us for getting a latest update, and also you can subscribe to our email list, where will be sending you useful charts and any latest updates. If you put an email here, you'll get the updates in your inbox. Thanks a lot, friends, and take care. Happy trading.